Alright everybody, it's time to install the new MRT H Pipe that replaces the Resonator. Let's go ahead and unbox it, see what we got. Now for all those who have been wanting something more than the factory but not wanting to spend $3,000, I found this online. And they were very nice to send it to us to go ahead and install and try it out and see. Oh gosh, it's heavy. Check this out. Ah, got more in here. More stuff. Just dump it out. Alright, off with that. So I assume these are hanging parts. I'll load all this loose. Set this aside for a second. So one thing I liked about this company is that they're a US company, made in America, but they got one welder that's been with the company for, I think he said 20 years. Or the company's been in existence for 20 years, one or the other. And he makes these by hand every time an order's made. Man, are they nice. Look at this. So, it's a straight pipe through, I don't know if you can see that, with this H design, which is supposed to make it a deeper sound. So, we'll take a look and see what the rest of the stuff is here. Oh, here comes our other Jeep. Ooh, shirts, nice. Ben, you're just in time. I'm recording. Alright, the unboxing. You want to smell that cologne? No, not really. Cool. Check it out.
This is the H pipe?
This is the H pipe. So, they sent us shirts. These are cool shirts. Here you go. That's for you. Brianna. Shirt for you.
Here, put this in my room too. Put this in my room.
That's the H pipe.
Is there more?
This is it. This is just what replaces it. So we get down underneath, we take out the X pipe and the resonators and look inside of it. No, it's not hot anymore. But this H right here in the middle is what creates the deeper sound. What else do we got? Okay, so here's the clamps. And directions, I assume.
Can I get down on there?
Yeah, go ahead.
I won't get burnt.
No. It's cool.
Did this right here?
Well, the resonator is that big box down there. And then the X pipe's the thing that comes together that looks like an X. No, that's the muffler.
Well, then what's that box?
I can't see. Hold on. Let's finish opening. Hold on. Oh, nice. Got some stickers. Got some stickers. Got koozie and a shirt for mommy.
What's all this like silver?
It's the heat resistant stuff. Keep the heat off of the muffler. Nick, shirt.
Oh, this is like very cool.
Super cool.
No, like this. It's not even.
Oh, it's not hot anymore. No, I know.
This is cold.
Yep. Okay, that's it. So here we go. Let's get into the install. All right, man, we're gonna get into this install now. So to install the Performance H Pipe, we are going to only need a Sawzall. There's 2 points that we have to cut on the rear side of the resonator. And then we're going to need I think it was a 15 millimeter socket and an 18 millimeter socket. And then depending on if one of your clamps are up or down, you might need a ratcheting 15 millimeter open and ratcheting wrench. And then these are always helpful to get the what are they called, the clamps, the things that are holding the muffler up. This is a tool you can get on Amazon for like 15 bucks, and it removes it right off a lot easier. So let me just get down there and then we're gonna start the process. So here is the bottom, which we're about to remove. So this is the section from those clamps, just unbolts there. And here's the resonator, the X pipe, and the resonator. And then we're gonna unbolt it right there. Cut it right there, sorry. Here's what we're gonna be removing. From right there at those clamps, all the way through the X pipe, the resonator, and then we're gonna cut it right there and there with the Sawzall. Nice and easy. Let's get to it. All right, just gotta cut this pipe right here in 2 spaces. So we have cut the 2 pipes right there with a Sawzall. Took about 2 minutes to do. And then I just undid this clamp right here with the clamp tool. And then the next thing that we'll do is go over here and undo these 2 clamps here. Boom, boom. And then the last part we'll do is go back to the axle. Right above the axle, there's a holder up there. We're just gonna unbolt it. And then the whole thing will come apart and we'll wiggle it out and get ready for the new H pipe. All right, we're going to use this clamp tool to go ahead and remove this clamp right here. As you can see, squeeze on that and it'll pop it right out. All right, so once you get it up here and in place, you just put the clamps around it on all 4 clamps, re-bolt in that piece up there above the axle, put that back on, put these 2 clamps back on, and then if you need to shake it back and forth to kind of align it, that's what I had to do, and that's it. I'm going to tighten these bolts down and we'll be ready to rip.